I never thought I'd say this, Finn, but I don't ever want to see another donut again. Oh, I feel like I just lost something important. Watch it. Those tasty little Slimers are quick. Seconds?
Gloopy fruit? How can you stomach that stuff?
Boy, watching you eat all day is making me really hungry.
It seems you three did something right after all.
Can I have some more cheese? Uh-oh, excuse me. Ah, you want the rest, boss?
Very attractive.
All right, more for me then. Oops, sorry.
Terra Rex is a little old-fashioned. Some of us had a little trouble with that.
Besides all that, what do these guys have that we don't? Which was in no way a reference to your lack of, well, an eyeball.
Goodbye, Arrow. Any last words?
Yeah. Junko, now!
That suggestion